Okay, good morning, kids. How are you today? Today we have our session of math, and today we have some special word problems about everyday situations. Possible situations that can happen or may happen in real life. So you will need mathematics problem solving to get the answer. Alright? So let's start. Don't forget to follow the steps. Identify the main characters, identify the quantities and the numbers, remember the keywords for addition or for subtraction, and finally the question. Let's start solving this problem. Okay. This is a word problem of a real situation. Teacher Jumpy receives homework of his students every day. The last week, he counted how many homework he had to check. On Monday, he got this number of homework to check 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On Tuesday, this amount or this quantity, Wednesday and Thursday. Alright? Jumpy has a lot of work to do. Okay, boys, you need to answer this question. Number 1, how many homework did Jumpy check on Thursday? You need to count and write the number here. How many homework did I check? Question number 2, in which days he checked 20 homework? Days, plural. 2 days, there are 2 days, he checked 20 homeworks. Count and add, and write the number of the days. 3. In which day he checked 13 homework? Write the day here. Okay, continue with exercise number 2. What is this? Okay, a soccer match. Okay, in Gimnasio Los Pinos we will have a calendar to play soccer, a soccer championship. Girls team will play on Monday and Tuesday. Boys will play on Wednesday and Friday. Okay, please remember the questions and the keywords. Girls team will play on Monday and Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday. Boys will play on Wednesday, and Friday. There are 2 questions. The first, how many times each team will play in June? How many times each team will play in June? How many times will girls play? How many times will boys play? How many days? How many times? The next question. What is the difference among the number of games in both teams? Okay, this is a tricky question. What is the difference in boys and girls number of times? What is the difference? This is the key word. Is it addition? Is it subtraction? Please write the difference here of the total games girls and boys will play. And lastly, we have this example. Okay. Isa, Paulina, Juanes, Sara, and Sipi played a video game. And at the end, when they finished playing, they got this number of points. Isa, 972. Paulina, 316 points. Juanes, this number. Sarita, this number of points. And Sipi, 1011 points. Please write the numbers in words. In words. Toby is barking. Ruff. Okay, continue. Write in words, just like this, or this number of points. How many for Juanes? How many for Sara? Number 2, write the amount of points in numbers. In numbers, you need to write this quantity, and finally CP, number of points here. And finally, there is a last question I want to show you, is arrange the number of points from the lowest to the highest. Arrange the number of points from the lowest to the highest, and identify who is the winner, who has more points in this game. Okay, this is the activity for today. I will be in the chat on Teams for you to help you. Tomorrow in the live class, you will have an evaluation similar to these exercises. So please, if you have any question, I will be there to help you. Big hugs, kids, and you're the greatest students in the world. See you next time. Goodbye.